What you see here is one of the blades from oridon. It is an oridor blade. The green signifies that it is made out of infinitum, which is a powerful metal that drives the center of the plot, kind of like oil in our world. Now, what's special about the blades and the weapons in this game is that no two blade is the same. There's a certain type of technology in the game which allows you to blacksmith your blades with unique shapes, and of course the shapes then affect the quality and attributes of the blade. Longer tip, slower swing, more powerful though, more spikes, more nooks and crannies for poison to soak in if you make your blade poisonous, more chance for ripping damage, which bleeds out more. You can edit the pommel, so on and so forth. To give an example here, I'll show you. Over here, these are the keys right here that change everything. So take that value, swing it up and down, and so like, let's say then if I'm going to do this, we just say like right there, gives it more of a stabbing power in the backswing because of this right here. There, it gives it more rip. Longer blade, it's going to slow it down, but it's also going to make it be more powerful in general. More chance to poison. Hires the defense. You give it a longer grip. And there, that's my custom blade. And this way, no two weapon will be the same, and they'll all have different abilities based on stuff like that. The shape changing. See ya.